Oh, hello there. Welcome back to Green Man Wellness. Thanks for joining us again on our wellness journey today. Our homes should be our sanctuary, a place where we can unwind and feel at peace. They are where we relax and recharge, spending quality time with our loved ones and creating cherished memories. However, conventional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that can disrupt this sanctuary. These products, while effective at cleaning, come with a hidden cost. These chemicals can be harmful to our health, causing respiratory issues, skin irritations, and other health problems. Moreover, they can have a detrimental impact on the environment, polluting our water and air. There's a better way to keep our homes clean and healthy, one that doesn't compromise our well-being or the planet's health. Natural cleaning solutions are just as effective as their chemical-laden counterparts. Ingredients like lemon, baking soda and vinegar have powerful cleaning properties that can tackle dirt and grime with ease. Natural cleaners are gentle on surfaces and safe for children and pets, ensuring that our homes remain a safe haven for everyone. By choosing natural alternatives, we contribute to a healthier planet. These eco-friendly options reduce our carbon footprint and help preserve the environment for future generations. Let's explore some of the incredible natural ingredients that can transform our cleaning routines. From the acidic power of lemon juice to the abrasive texture of baking soda, these ingredients offer a multitude of cleaning benefits. Vinegar, with its antibacterial properties, can disinfect surfaces and eliminate odors. Together, these natural solutions provide a comprehensive approach to maintaining a clean and healthy home. Vinegar is a staple in many kitchens, but its uses extend far beyond cooking. This acidic wonder is a powerful cleaning agent. It can cut through grease, remove mineral deposits, and eliminate odors. Vinegar can be used to clean windows, mirrors, and even countertops. Simply mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Use it to wipe down surfaces for a streak-free shine. Vinegar is also effective at removing limescale buildup in bathrooms. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is another versatile cleaning agent. This humble white powder, often found in the back of your pantry, is a powerhouse when it comes to household cleaning. Its natural properties make it an essential item for anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh home without resorting to harsh chemicals. It's a natural deodorizer, stain remover, and mild abrasive. This means it can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, unpleasant odors, or just need a gentle scrub, baking soda has got you covered. Baking soda can be used to clean sinks, tubs, and toilets. Its mild abrasive nature helps to scrub away grime and soap scum without scratching surfaces. Simply sprinkle some baking soda on the area you want to clean, add a bit of water, and scrub away. You'll be amazed at how sparkling clean your bathroom fixtures can be. Make a paste with baking soda and water to scrub away stubborn stains. This paste is particularly effective on tough spots like oven doors, stovetops, and even grout lines. Just apply the paste, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub with a sponge or brush. The stains will lift away, leaving the surface clean and shiny. For a clogged drain, pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain. This simple trick can save you from using harsh chemical drain cleaners. Baking soda helps to break down the gunk and grime that can build up in your pipes. Follow it with 1 cup of vinegar and let it sit for 30 minutes before flushing with hot water. The combination of baking soda and vinegar creates a fizzy reaction that helps to dislodge any blockages. After 30 minutes, flush the drain with hot water to clear away any remaining debris. Baking soda is also excellent for freshening carpets and upholstery. Sprinkle a generous amount on the surface. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes and then vacuum it up. The baking soda will absorb odors and leave your carpets and furniture smelling fresh and clean. It's a simple, effective way to maintain a pleasant home environment. Essential oils not only smell divine, but also possess antibacterial and antifungal properties. Tea tree oil, for example, is a potent disinfectant. Lavender oil has calming properties and can be used to freshen linens. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to your cleaning solutions. This will not only enhance the cleaning power, but also leave your home smelling fresh and inviting. Remember to use essential oils sparingly, as they are highly concentrated. Section 5. Lemons' freshness and cleaning combined. Lemons are a natural powerhouse of freshness and cleaning ability. Their acidic juice can cut through grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. The refreshing scent of lemon is an added bonus. Use lemon juice to clean and deodorize cutting boards. You can also create an all-purpose cleaner by mixing lemon juice, water, and vinegar. This natural solution is perfect for wiping down countertops and appliances. Section 6. Olive oil, more than just a cooking staple. Olive oil is a kitchen essential, but did you know it's also a fantastic natural cleaner? Beyond its culinary uses, olive oil has a multitude of applications that can make your household chores easier and more eco-friendly. This versatile oil can be a game-changer in your cleaning routine. For instance, it's a natural polish for wood furniture. If you have wooden tables, chairs or cabinets that have lost their luster, olive oil can help restore their shine. Additionally, it can help remove sticky residue left behind by labels or tape, making surfaces look clean and new again. To create a natural furniture polish, simply mix equal parts olive oil and lemon juice. This combination not only cleans but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. The lemon juice acts as a natural disinfectant, while the olive oil conditions the wood, preventing it from drying out and cracking. Apply a small amount of this mixture to a soft cloth. Gently rub it into the wood in a circular motion, ensuring that you cover the entire surface. This method is not only effective but also safe for your furniture, as it avoids the harsh chemicals found in many commercial polishes. After polishing, you'll notice that your furniture looks shiny and new. The olive oil not only enhances the wood's natural beauty, but also provides a protective layer that helps to repel dust and dirt. With regular use, this natural polish can keep your wooden furniture looking its best for years to come. Section 7. Castile Soap Gentle and Effective Cleaning. Castile soap is a versatile plant-based soap that is gentle on skin and tough on dirt. It's biodegradable and free from harsh chemicals, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious cleaning. Mix a small amount of Castile soap with water to create an all-purpose cleaner. It can be used to clean floors, countertops, and even dishes. Castile soap is also gentle enough to use on delicate surfaces like marble. Section 8. Creating a safe haven. Creating a safe and healthy home environment is paramount. By embracing natural cleaning solutions, we protect our families and our planet. These simple ingredients, often found in our pantries, are effective and affordable alternatives to harsh chemicals. The benefits of using natural cleaners extend beyond a clean home. We reduce our exposure to harmful toxins and create a healthier living environment. Section 9. Embrace the natural cleaning revolution. Join the movement towards a cleaner, greener lifestyle. Embrace the power of natural cleaning solutions and experience the difference they can make. Together, we can create a healthier planet, one natural cleaning product at a time. Let's make our homes havens of health and well-being, free from harmful toxins. If you enjoyed this video by The Green Man, please like and subscribe to join the Wellness Tribe and be notified of new videos. See you again soon.